children, welcome to our math class. In the previous class we learned about previous chapter, that is the fraction. In the fraction, what is the numerator, what is the denominator, and types of fractions, like fractions, unlike fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, about learn in the previous class. In the subtractions, additions also. How to do the additions in the like fractions, how to do the subtraction in the like fractions. The previous classes we learned about. Okay, today I am teaching about measure of length. Measure of length. Okay, today given here, see Nana, the first one. You can find the following objects in your classroom. Take their lengths using a centimeter scale. Do you know scale? 15 centimeter scale ఉంది కదా మీకు the previous class లో నేర్చుకున్నారు. How to take the measure ఎలా తీసుకోవడం అనేది the previous class means the second class. Okay, we learn about here given Nana. First one is the pencil. Take scale and find out. Okay, next book. How much the length book? Next sharpener. How much the sharpener length? Next eraser. How much the sharpener eraser? And this one is the slate or blackboard. Okay, blackboard. How much the blackboard length? Next this is the compass box. Okay, find out and write here. Okay, that is your work. Okay children, next what asking here? Add. The second bit is the addition. You see Nana, B bit is the ADD, add. It is the addition problem. First one is the 80 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. 80 centimeter plus 15 centimeter equal to how much? Okay, this is the horizontal addition. How to find out? First of all, add 80 plus 15. This is the 80 centimeter, so 15 centimeter. Add this. 0 plus 5 is the 5. 8 plus 1 is the 9. Total 95 centimeter. So here write 95 centimeter. Okay. Next second. What are given here? 804 meter. Next to 82 meter. See Nana, 804 meter plus 82 meter. First of all, 804 and 82. So this right. First of all, write like this. 2 here is 8. Keep symbol. Here meter and meter. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. Okay, 0 plus 8. Here any number not, so 8. The total, here write meter, 886 meter. 886 meter. Okay, like that do. Next to third one problem and fourth one problem. Okay, next to save it. Find the difference. Find the difference. Save it. Find the difference. What are given the first one problem? 63 meter minus 43 meter. 63 meter minus 43 meter. Okay, equal to. First of all, here 63. So now write 63 as is here 43. Here given meter. So meter. Here symbol is the minus. So now do the subtraction. 3 minus 3 is the 0. 6 minus 4 is the 2. How much the difference? 20 meters. So now write here 20 meter. Okay. Next fourth one, see Nana. What are given here? Fourth one, 65 centimeter minus 25 centimeter. 65 centimeter minus 25. Here first of all 65. So now write 65 centimeter as is here minus next to 25 centimeter. Now subtract 25 from 65. See now 5 minus 5 is the 0. 6 minus 2 is the 4. So now as is here centimeter. The difference is the 40 centimeter. So now write here 40 centimeter. Okay children. Next to second one and third one, that is your homework. Next to D. See now D problem. Preeta has 3 pieces of ribbons measuring 65 centimeter, 55 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively. What is the total length of all ribbons? Here see Nana, Rita has 3 pieces of ribbons. Rita ki 3 pieces of ribbons. 3 pieces ఉన్నాయంట. ఇందులో first one ribbon is 65 centimeter. The second piece of ribbon is 55 centimeter. Third piece of ribbon is 45 centimeter. But what asking there? What is the total length of all ribbons? ఆ 3 pieces of ribbon యొక్క length how much? ఎంత అని అడుగుతుంది. So first of all write here solution. Write now the length of piece. First for how much? 65 centimeter. 65 centimeter. See Nana, length of first ribbon is here Nana. First one here, first ribbon is 65 centimeter. Next length of piece. Second ribbon is how much Nana? 55 centimeter. Okay. Next length of the piece. Third ribbon is how much Nana? 45 centimeter. What is the total length of all ribbons? So now write the total length of all the ribbons equal to, add these three numbers. See Nana, here 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, up to here 10, next to 5 11 12 13 14 15. So here don't write like this 15, this 5 right here, this one carry to here. 1 plus 6 7, 7 plus 5 up to here 7, next to 5. So 5, take 5 fingers. This is the addition problem. So forward counting. After 7 8 9 10 11 12, up to here 12. Next 4 plus 4, 12 plus 4 13 14 15 16. 165 here centimeter. The total length of all the ribbons is 165 centimeters. Okay children. Next next a cloth merchant bought 35 meter of silk from one shop. and 26 meter of velvet from another shop. Find the total length of cloth bought by him. Cloth merchant and bought 35 meter of silk. 35 meter of silk cloth. Silk cloth one shop. Next 26 meter of velvet cloth. 26 meter of velvet cloth from another shop. ఇంకొక షాప్ నుండి వెల్వెట్ క్లాత్ ను 26 మీటర్ తీసుకున్నాడు. ఇప్పుడు నువ్వు వాట్ ఆస్కింగ్ హియర్ ఫైండ్ ద టోటల్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ క్లాత్ బాట్ బై హిమ్. తను టోటల్ గా ఎంత క్లాత్ ని కొన్నాడు అని అడుగుతున్నాడు. ఓకేనా? సో నౌ రైట్ సొల్యూషన్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద which cloth? Silk cloth. Length of silk cloth is length of silk cloth. Length of silk cloth is how much? How much length there? 35 meter. Another cloth is a velvet cloth. So length of velvet cloth is how much Nana? 26 meter. So what asking there? Find the total length of cloth. Find the total length of cloth. So now write the total length of cloth is cloth equal to. So add these two numbers. See 35 plus 26. So 5 plus 6 here 5 next to 6 to 6 figures. After 5 is the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here came 2 digit number. That is so write down. This side here only 1 right. This one is the carry. Okay. Here 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 2 6. Here meters. So totally 61 meters. If I take what the totally length of cloth is 61 meter. Okay. Cloth is the 61 meter. Okay children, write in your notes and practice. Okay. Tomorrow I will explain next one. Kilometers, centimeters, meters. How to convert into the kilometer, how to convert into the centimeter. Okay. Tomorrow I will teach. Okay.